Welcome to Grandpa's Train Room channel.
Yeah, this is Train Room Gary speaking. And these are my two grandchildren, and today we're going to
open our camera caboose.
Camera caboose car is correct. All right, open the box up, guys. Can you get it open by yourself, or you need help from Grandpa?
Too fast.
You pull it out. Maybe Grandpa can open up this end. Don't tear the cardboard. Oh, there you go. You guys got it. You got it out, and there it is. The Chessie caboose, huh? Pretty slick, huh?
Yeah, caboose.
All right, take the top off so you can get out of there by yourself. Be real gentle. There it is. And we got the unboxing, and we got the caboose off. So you can take that plastic cover off. Yeah, looking good, huh? Okay, guys. Let's read the instructions and make the camera caboose work. All aboard for a model train adventure with Train Room Gary. Right, Noah, what'd you find inside there?
A person.
There's a person inside the caboose? Point to him. See if you can show us where it's at. Oh, yeah. And what do you have there, fella?
The instructions.
Instructions. That's going to show us how to hook up our iPhone 7 Plus to this caboose and be able to watch videos on our iPhone as the caboose goes around the layout. That sounds kind of cool.
Why were the train tracks grumpy? Because people kept crossing them.
So that's your joke of the day. Why were the train tracks grumpy? Because why?
People kept crossing them.
People kept crossing them. Okay, guys, put the caboose on the tracks. Can you get it on there, or need a little help?
You know, does Noah have to couple it?
Well, the coupler should be already open for it. Can you get it on there? Go up, take a look at it. See the little guy inside.
I can see him.
Can you see the little man inside?
Yep, he's at the other side.
All right, let's see if we can get this train to move forward. Ready, guys? Ready? Let's check the... Right, we have whistle. Let's move it out. Okay, guys, we gotta take that caboose. On the bottom of the caboose, there's a switch. We gotta go pick this off the track, and we gotta turn the switch on. So I'm gonna pick this up, and we're gonna look for a switch under here to turn the camera on. You see that? Turn that switch on. Put the switch on.
Yeah. Ah, what? It's off.
Hang on, let me see what it says. All right, we're now looking at the bottom side of the caboose. This is the reset button. If you were to get a short in the rails or some kind of power surge in the tracks, voltage surge, this would break the circuit. Also turn the camera off. If that happens, hold this reset button down for about 2 to 3 seconds. Over here is a switch. This turns the interior lights on and off. And over here is the switch for the camera on and off. Also included with the caboose is this computer disc, which you can install onto a PC or Mac. The instruction manual goes over procedures to do this. This will allow you to view live action on a large computer screen. Look at the instruction manual. You have to install the app. This is the app right here, the Lionel Camera app. This you'll find at the Apple App Store, or if you're on Android, at Google Play Store. Looks like this right here. This is it. And before you start the app, you want to go over to your settings here, and you go to Wi-Fi, and now it's loading. And right here, this big long number here is the Lionel Camera app. That's now turned on. We can go back to the main window and now launch the app. Just hit OK on this. Now we already got the camera ad here, but we got to add a new camera. We're gonna go through these steps here. I've already got that done, but just gotta follow those steps on the screen. All right, you can see the live what's going on the phone here, and as I move this around, you can see the picture moving. I put my hand behind the caboose. You can see the light bouncing off my hand. Now, if I want to record that, just tap the screen, hit the record button. Now it says recording has started, and once again I'll just move it back and forth. Put my hand back here, to stop the recording, just hit that camera again. Now it says recording has stopped. Now it's ready to send it to myself. Alright, to stop the recording, just hit the button again. Now it has stopped. The recording is now done. Now keep in mind there is no sound on this. Alright, now after the recording is done, you want to hit the record button again down here. Now there's a list of all the things I've recorded, and the latest one I think would be the top one, which is right here in the date. The way this works is you want to send that to your computer to edit it. You have to push on the picture here and hold it. Then you have a bunch of questions, you know, delete all, share. We want to share this with my editing software. So I hit share. Up comes a bunch of questions here. I'm going to go over to where it says send via Gmail, and I'll type in my home address. You guys know me, it's Train Room Gary, so I'll type in Train Room Gary there. There's my little logo. I want to give it a name. I'll just call it, let's just call it Video 5. Hit the send button. And now that's sending it to my Gmail account. Then I can take it over to my editing software and then show you guys what I made here. That's how easy this thing operates. Just follow the instruction manual. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and remember to ring the bell to get all the email notifications from my channel. Rate and comment. As always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway, and check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.